Hey guys, got a 2025 plate Volkswagen Golf here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your ignition is turned on. And then on your screen in the center console, you can come to here, and then where the time is on the top left, you're going to press on the time. It'll take you to this menu, and from here you can do it, have it on automatic where it does it for you, or if you want to change the time manually, go to manual on there, and then here press the time, adjust to what you need, and then press back to set the time. And from here you can change the clock from a 24-hour to 12-hour clock, and then do your date from here as well, and just press back to set date.